Yes, please, this lady wants to ask this.
Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome.
I really want to appreciate the common things that you're bringing about. Like, I love how you explain that the book, the commonality between Christians and Jews and Muslims, the common thing, the muhkimat. Just one thing I want to ask you. You said that Quran is the Furqan. It makes you decide what is right and what is wrong. So, you just talked about the tafasir. I want to know, what if I read the Quran, okay, and I understand it, and considering that I am pure and my brother was telling the criteria. So I read the Quran and then I want to read the tafasir and judge the tafasir on the basis of Quran. So is there something wrong with that? Like, there are so many tafasir.
You see, there's an ayat in the Quran, وَلَا يَأْتُونَكَ بِمَثَلٍ إِلَّا جِئْنَاكَ بِالْحَقِّ وَأَحْسَنَ تَفْسِيرًا. وَلَا يَأْتُونَكَ بِمَثَلٍ إِلَّا جِئْنَاكَ بِالْحَقِّ وَأَحْسَنَ تَفْسِيرًا. This is the best tafsir Allah himself does it. They do not come with any example. وَلَا يَأْتُونَكَ بِمَثَلٍ إِلَّا جِئْنَاكَ بِالْحَقِّ. We bring the truth. وَأَحْسَنَ تَفْسِيرًا. The best tafsir. So you may read tafsir with faults, but Allah is giving you tafsir within the book. The ahsana tafsira. So you can read the tafsir is in the book. So that is the true tafsir Allah himself is describing. So rather to go and read somebody's tafsir, and you will always find contradiction. I'm telling you, always find contradiction in the tafsirs. Because remember, al-haqqu min rabbika. Haqq is always from your Lord. فَلَا تَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْمُمْتَرِينَ. Do not be from the doubters. Now I'm asking today, as you know, there is a world, you may have attended people. Can you tell me at any given time, have you met any person who speaks the truth?
No, not always.
No, I'm talking about the names of the present living scholars who can speak the truth all the time.
We're all humans. So.
All human. So why do we believe there are those women who wrote these books? They said the truth, and then you know what on. They were saying Shakir about the messenger, this guy said about the messenger, this guy said about the messenger, and the one who was judging them, they were the righteous people. All these people made those books on the basis of the truth. That man speaks the truth, that character, he had the character of the truth, and the one who said he had the character, what about his character? Now all this you believe that his Mama Rasulullah said. How is this possible that all these people are sitting here in the audience, with their extreme love and affection, they know something about me and they write it down. Can they write a complete picture about me? Who am I? Where did I live? Where I was born? What type of person I am? No. Only Allah knows. So Allah says, Rasul Usfa Hasana is in the book. But you bring from outside. And you describe the human face, how he walks, how he sits, how he sleeps, how he take a bath, all physical aspect. So you can women follow that man?
You gave a wonderful example for me, so I'll continue from here.
Okay.
Let's say I want to know you better, because this is actually the first time I've heard or seen you. So let's say I want to know more about you. And let's say the 7 people sitting in the front row have written something about you.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll pick up every book and start reading about you, and there is going to be contradiction because everyone knows you differently.
Okay.
But my intention is to know you, and I know my intention is pure.
Okay.
So there is going to be some common things between all the books, and that will give me like a good idea about you. So if we apply the same on the tafsir, like I really want to know about my creator.
Okay.
So I want to go and read different tafsir, and I will concentrate on the commonalities.
Okay.
So how is that?
Now, first of all, you're describing about me. Suppose, now, let's say you want to know about Muhammad Rasulullah. Let's put it this way, straight. So now Allah does not describe his walk, his way of style, his standing position, his walk, no way. Now, if you come to know what benefit you'll get. But the point is that what messenger said, like for example, I'm a teacher in a school or a college, I wear this suit and I come and I wrote and I stand like this and I stand like this and I stay like this. You're looking at my body's personality, how I walk, how I stand, how I do. Will you follow what I'm teaching? You are interested in the teaching of myself?
Teaching.
So that's what I'm saying. The Quran is itself the teaching. Allah is itself the teaching. Not the physical, like this, you have to stand like this, and sit like this, bend to the bathroom like this. Why Allah missed out in the book? It was so important about it. Because Allah doesn't want to tell you all this. He wants the essence spirit of Allah and the book of Allah teach you what He expects you to follow. And believe me, every woman and every man can follow the messenger. But you women cannot follow the messenger. You cannot have a beard. You cannot walk like a man. Women walk like a woman. Their walk is different. They bring up children. How can you follow the messenger, the man? Because they are describing the man. All the time man. He had a beard like this. He was to walk like this. He used to sit like this. Do you think if I started copying a woman, how would you like it? If a woman started copying a man, how would you like it?
Not a good idea.
So then Muhammad, if you describe the man and you copy the man, again it won't be nice. So because we are not following the man, we are following the messenger. The messenger is mentioned in the Quran, and the man description is mentioned in the books. Messenger man description. Believe everything man, how he eats, how he drinks water 3 times, everything is man.
I would humbly disagree with it.
Yeah.
Because it's not just about the physical things which are described in the hadith.
Then what do you describe? What are the?
Yeah, so I'll give you example of one hadith.
Yes.
Where a group of companions was sent on a ghazwa.
Yeah.
And there was one non-believer, like there was a kafir, who was under the sword of a companion, and that's when he said, I accept Islam, I'm a Muslim.
Okay.
But the Sahabi did not believe him because he thought he's saying it out of fear to save his life. And he killed that person. So when he came back to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam grieved so much over the act of that companion, and he said, how are you going to answer on the day of judgment, because you did not know what was in the heart of that person. And it's my favorite hadith. And the thing I learned about my Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was that he was a non-judgmental person. So it has got nothing to do with how he walked or how he looked like, but I got to know something about his personality. So there are so many.
Oh, hold on. Does the Quran describe you who to kill and who not to kill?
Yeah, it does.
But Muhammad did not quote those verses.
Yeah.
Who quoted those verses? What do you mean with that judgment is there in the book?
Yeah, definitely.
Whom to fight, whom not to fight, whom not to kill. Right?
Yeah.
So those verses are there. So Muhammad is the best of example. He must be quoting these ayahs. And people are taking guidance from the ayahs. Today, I will take the ayah from the Quran about killing and I'll implement. And I'm following the messenger. Because messenger followed that. So if you think from the human aspect, he did it. So you, like for example, Muhammad Shaykh, accepted the ayahs and implemented with my own expression I told you. So you are appreciating me. What about the ayah? You understand? Ayah is the main source that Muhammad Rasulullah implemented in his life, and he said, sir, I am not judgmental. Because he knew the ayahs. You follow what I'm saying? So it is I'm bringing everybody back to the source. The revelation was sent down as a guidance for mankind. Yeah, thank you. Any other? Keep on asking. That's good. Yeah, that's a good question.
I'm just getting an impression
maybe 10 minutes more.
You're not in the favor of us going to hadith and tafsir. I hope you don't mean that.
No, I will explain to you. I strongly believe there are ahadiths mentioned in the book. Which you were there in the lecture.
Topic, which
So I explained
topic?
that the mutashabihah hadith, Allahu nazzala asal hadith, kitabam mutashabih mathani. Allah is revealing the most useful ahadith. Mutashabih, resembling, and mathani repeated. So all the events and narrations of all the prophets, including Muhammad Rasulullah, is mentioned in the book. Okay? So this hadith is mentioned. How? يَسْأَلُونَكَ الْخَمْرُ عَنِ الْخَمْرُ وَالْمَيْسِرِ. They ask you, قُلْ tell them. They say, قَالُوا, they say, قُلْ tell them. So these are 332 times questions are asked, which Rasulullah said, answer them, answer Rasul, answer. So that is Qawl Rasul, and that is the Usra Asna of the message in the Quran. Yasalunaka anir ruh. They are asking about the ruh. Qul ruhu min amri rabbi. So they are asking the ruh. Say the ruh is from the order of my Lord. So all these narration, Allah is not expecting to ask God Almighty. Allah expect they ask you. You tell them. They ask you. You tell them. So this is the uswa in the Quran. So Abdullah wa Rasul in the Quran. Now they brought another book, separate book, and their questions are in such a manner. So they said this is the what mankind was that you recite a kalma and you go to Jannah. Simple. That is how the people they would take shahada. Ashhadu la ilaha illallah, ashhadu anna Muhammadur Rasulullah. You are a Muslim. Go on, don't do anything. I mean, this is going on in the world. How many people in the world, Muslim, so-called liberal Muslim world, know the Arabic text and know the meaning and follow?
Very few.
So how many people read the hadith? No. But they say you don't believe Muhammad Shaykh hadith. I am asking who believes in this audience? Who have read 6 books of Sunni and 4 books of Shia, and they are both contradicting each other, and they don't believe each other hadith. What hadith?
But the ahadith are also categorized as Sahih or Hasan.
No, I understand, but the question is, who are those people who read this hadith and following?
Well, we are trying to make an effort to do that.
First of all, we read the Quran and follow, which we don't. Now you're bringing hadith, another subject, and now people try to read that, and do they follow? Like, for example, I can tell you many things that Muhammad Rasulullah used to do it, you people don't do it. What's the use of telling that he used to die with stones? Do we? He used to fast for 3 days. We don't. Anything with him, we don't. He married 40 at the age of 25, married a 40 years old age woman. And then when he was 25, he married 40, 53 something, and she married a young little girl. Do we? Can I? You will abuse me, you will bullshit me if I follow that. So what are this? You just name the Rasul's name and say something in a nice manner, and if I try to do so, you will be angry on me. Who's following the messenger in the hadith? He wants to keep a beard, he used to do kajal and big long hairs, and that all his clothes were too close with chepia. Do these scholars do this?
I think because there is lack of...
No, we are not talking about things. We want you people to do that. Because you say we follow the hadith. You don't follow nothing.
Well, I can't...
We do follow. It's not like this. You are confusing the audience.
I'm not confusing. I'm saying if you believe in the hadith, then you have to believe and follow.
No.
Then what's the reading of hadith?
There is one hadith says, Sallu kama ra'aytumuni usalli. How, in regards to that question, what sister has said, how do you explain Sallu kama ra'aytumuni usalli?
So, you translate.
Pray as you have seen me praying.
Okay. So, what do you mean? What do you want me to explain? Okay. You say that you pray like what he prayed. If I quote an ayah, would you follow that? Or that you follow that? Well, I say, Quran says, وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلَّى. Musalla is the place of prayer. You take your salah from Musalla of Maqam Ibrahim, Makkah. You take your salah in Jama'ah. All of you, وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَقَامِ from the place of prayer, Maqam Ibrahim Musalla. So I follow that or I follow that? What is more important? Ayat or that? No, ayat.
You have been done is wrong.
Sorry? You speak on the mic, please. Speak on the mic.
This is completely different thing.
Translate, can you translate?
Yani place of Ibrahim. This is ismu zarf. Yani place of Ibrahim.
I said place of prayer, Musalla, place of prayer.
No, this is not. You
What is the translation of Musalla?
Musalla is place of salah. That is
Musalla, place of salah, na?
That is in manasik. It's not like
No, just a minute. What is Musalla?
negating ahadith.
I am not, listen, I said Musalla means place of prayer.
We cannot negate ahadith. Ahadith is there for uswatul.
I did not negate Azid, I was talking about the Quran.
No, we are talking about.
No, I was talking about the Quran all the time.
We are understanding.
Okay, when I was talking about the Quran, well, hold
You
on.
cannot understand Quran without understanding Hadith
Yes.
by Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Okay, fine.
This is the best explanation, tafsir.
Yeah.
Quran, Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that I am the tafsir of Quran. चलता फिरता Quran जिसको कहते हैं कि
तो वही तो कर रहा है मोहम्मद शेख, चलता फिरता कुरान आयतें तो कोट कर रहा है.
आपने तो लोगों
आप आयतें कोट कर रहे हो, वो चलता फिरता कुरान नजर नहीं आ रहा.
Yes, اور اس کی
آپ کو اس وقت کتنا ایسے کوٹ کیا میں نے وَلَا يَأْتُونَكَ بِمَثَلٍ إِلَّا جِئْنَاكَ بِالْحَقِّ وَأَحْسَنَ تَفْسِيرًا for her وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلًّى.
آپ نے تو بہت کنفیوز کر دیا آڈینس.
نہیں سنیں میری بات جو ہو رہا ہے وہ بتا رہا ہوں. میں آیتیں کوٹ کر رہا ہوں جو رسول کوٹ کرتے تھے آیت.
One more question, sir.
Good minute. You asked me about Salah. Well, I said وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلًّى. Hold on. Muhammad Rasulullah used to quote ayahs.
Different answer.
No, hold on.
I'm not getting the answer.
No, just a minute. You say she pray as you pray like me. I said I pray when the Imam prays as the Maqam Musalla. Because the ayat is referring me to that. So I follow the ayat. So Muhammad Rasulullah was talking Quran. So I am also trying to follow his example by talking Quran. So I am following the example. You people are saying what people have written about it. You follow that. I am following Allah's message describing Muhammad Rasulullah and other messengers. So I am following what the Quran says about other messengers like that. Yes, please.
How are you, sir?
Assalamu alaikum.
Actually, I want to just ask you shortly question. As my friends and my sister is also asking, it's to some extent that contact only, but briefly. You told that we can easily understand the Quran. I agree also. But the thing, if I'm not good I cannot understand the English, and I'm not an Arabic guy. Apart from this, I know the Urdu, but I cannot understand the Urdu also. So what is the method to understand the Quran?
Brother, I don't want to go again.
No, it is a simple question.
I simply answered 4 times. Allah said we have made the Quran easy. It's English.
Yeah.
You want to know Urdu? Allah ने कुरान को आसान किया हुआ है. है कोई समझने वाला? उर्दू बता ऐसे हो रहा. Now this is the meaning. Allah ने आसान किया हुआ है. जो कोई समझना चाहता है, जो कोई हिदायत देना चाहता है, आसान है. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि अब आप पढ़ रहे हैं ट्रांसलेशन में और आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, तो कहता है अफला यतदब्बरून अल-कुरान, क्या कुरान पे गौर नहीं करते? अगर ये गैर अल्लाह की तरफ से इसमें इख्तिलाफ आ जाए कसरत से. अब सुनिए, अब मुझे एक आयत समझनी है, दूसरी आयत समझनी है, तीसरी आयत समझनी है. अब जब मैं समझ रहा हूँ तो उसमें इख्तिलाफ नहीं होना चाहिए, कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन हो. जब भी आप तफासीर में जाएंगे वहाँ इख्तिलाफ आ जाएगा. एक की तफासीर कुछ कह रही है, दूसरी की तफासीर कुछ कह रही है, फलानी की तफासीर कुछ कह रही है, तो वहाँ इख्तिलाफ आ रहा है. तो अल्लाह की तरफ से नहीं है, सुनिए अल्लाह की तरफ से नहीं है. तो कम बैक टू अल्लाह अगेन आयत को देखें आप. तो आयत टू आयत जो मैंने बोला भी यहाँ पर आप सबके सामने, उस पे यहाँ किसी ने भी सवाल नहीं किया. वो उनके ध्यान में चला गया कि ये 18 नबी की किताब मिल गई. सुनिए 18 नबी की किताब ये नहीं पढ़ लेते क्या? 18 नबी की किताब मैंने जो दी, मुहम्मद आयत बताई, तौरात है, ये सब बताया मैंने, उस पर सवाल करें ना. वो क्योंकि अगर कुरान को मान रहे हो तो सवाल करते उस पर सवाल नहीं है किसी ने. वो हदीस की बात आ गई, हदीस को मानते हैं नहीं मानते, ये होता है फलाना होता है, ये अलग बात है. जो मैंने बोला यकीन करें, nobody asked the question, nobody has got a dare to ask question because it's from Allah. ये प्रूफ है.
Actually, the translation of the Quran.
मतलब मैंने अभी आपके सामने ट्रांसलेशन करके बोला 18 नबी को किताब मिली. ये आपने अंग्रेजी में सुना? आप इसको जानते थे पहले? नहीं जानते. ये जानते थे क्या जो लोग बैठे? नहीं अप्रिशिएट नहीं करें. अप्रिशिएट चीज वो कुरान में लिखा हुआ है, वो कुरान में लिखा हुआ है, पहले से चला रहा है. उस चीज को मैंने हाईलाइट किया, मैंने कोई नई चीज नहीं बता दी. अब जो हाईलाइट किए उसमें सवाल करें लोग कि भाई ये क्या चीज हो गई हमारे साथ. तो सुनिए वो समझ में आए ना आपको, मगर आपका बिलीफ नहीं बन सकता इस वक्त. क्यों नहीं बन सकता कि आप कह रहे हैं अब कुरान समझ नहीं सकते और पहले हमें ये समझाएगी और वो समझाएगी. ये जो हमने भी 18 नबी के साथ दिखाया और क़यामत में किताब रखी जाएगी और इससे पहले किताबें सच्चों को लेके आओ, ये 3 बातें मैंने बताई. अंग्रेजी में समझ में आई आपको? आई या नहीं आई? मैं तो यही कुरान है. देखिए मैं ये कुरान है जी.
आपकी जो आपने नॉलेज,
मेरी नॉलेज भाई किताब खोल के
आपसे ही मिला ना.
लिखा हुआ आपके सामने लिखा है ना
सर. मैं आपकी बात से एग्री करता हूं.
मेरी बात नहीं है ना.
आपने देखिए मैंने इससे पहले इतनी डिटेल नहीं पढ़ा.
कुछ से पढ़ा हुआ है यहाँ पर.
ओके मैं
वो कहना मुझे पता ही नहीं वो साहब से क्या.
मैं अपने हिसाब से क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूं, उनको छोड़ के आप उनको
उन्हीं को रेफर कर रहे थे ना आप. इसलिए
मैं उनको मैं वो सिस्टम को रेफर कर रहा था, उनकी बात थी. और मैं एक्चुअली
जवाब दे चुका हूं.
मैं बिल्कुल आप दे चुके हैं. मैं सिर्फ पूछना चाह रहा हूं कि सपोज मुझे एक कंटेंट है,
ये आज जो कंटेंट सुना ये कंटेंट नहीं था क्या?
कंटेंट मैं सर अप्रिशिएट कर रहा हूं.
अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर रहा ना मैं. आपको ये कंटेंट समझ में आया?
मुझे ये बात समझ में आई.
बस खत्म हुई. आप जाके अब देखे फिर आगे पढ़े. ये जो समझे आप समझिए कंटेंट जो आपने सुना वो आपको सुनाई दिया ना.
मुझे वो सारी सुनाई देगी.
पूरी बात सुने ना. ये कंटेंट जो दिखाया मैंने, ये आप जो कह रहे हैं मुश्किल है कुरान समझना, میں نے آپ سب کے سامنے کانٹینٹ پڑھا, کتاب ہاتھ میں دے کے سن لیجیے, آپ نے وہ سنا اور آپ کو سمجھ میں بھی آ گیا.
کچھ چیزیں وہ سمجھ میں آئی, اسی لیے کوشچن کر رہا ہوں آپ کو.
18 نبیوں کو کتاب ملی, یہ سمجھ میں آیا, اور قیامت کے روز یہ کتاب رکھی جائے گی, اس سے پہلے کوئی کتاب ہے تو لے کے آؤ. یہ اللہ نے یہ 3 چیز سمجھ میں آئی نا آپ کو. اب آپ سوچئے, یہ چیز میں نے بتائی, آپ کو سمجھ میں آ گئی, تو یہ بس قرآن سمجھ میں آ گیا. آپ کو کیا اور چاہ رہے ہیں؟ اگر یہ میں کچھ اپنی طرف سے کہہ رہا ہوں,
چلیں میں آپ کو کہہ رہا ہوں کہ آپ نے جو بتایا وہ اچھا بتایا.
میں نے بتایا, میں کہہ رہا ہوں کتاب آپ کے ہاتھ میں بھائی جان, پروف سامنے ہے, وہ قرآن جو ہے.
آپ سے بول رہا ہوں قرآن میں آپ سے جو آپ نے بتایا وہ اچھا بتایا, مجھے سمجھ میں آیا, کچھ نہیں آیا. آپ
یہ کہہ رہے تھے کہ قرآن سمجھ نہیں آتا,
میں یہی بول رہا ہوں
انگریزی اور لینگویج کا پرابلم آ رہے تھے نا.
جیسے سپوز اردو میں بھی ٹرانسلیشن ہے وہ بہت ہارڈ ہے.
سر جی میں نے آپ کے سامنے
سمجھ میں نہیں
تو لینا, یہ چیز جو میں نے آپ کے سامنے پیش کری, انگریزی میں اردو میں پڑھ سکتا ہوں میں, یہی 3 چیزیں 18 نبیوں کے ساتھ کتاب, وہ آپ کو سمجھ میں آ جائے گی. سب سے پہلے اللہ آپ کو پڑھائے تو سمجھ میں آئے گی. کیا لوگ پہلے سے پڑھتے نہیں آ رہے, کیا تراویح میں قرآن نہیں پڑھا جاتا, 18 نبیوں کے ساتھ کتاب نہیں لکھا ہوا, کیا یہ پہلے سے لکھا ہوا ہے. اب یہ جو آپ کہہ رہے ہیں سمجھ, اب یہ مجھے سمجھ میں آیا سوچ سے, تو میں نے پھر آپ کو لکھا ہوا دکھایا تو آپ کو بھی سمجھ میں آ گیا. تو اس لینگویج کا پرابلم نہیں ہے, لینگویج از ناٹ اے بیریئر, اللہ ریویل کر دے گا تو سمجھ میں آ جائے گا. اب جتنی بھی کتابیں پڑھتے ہیں کوئی سمجھ نہیں آتا, تو انٹل اللہ ریویل مطلب اس کی آیا کر دے, وہ ہم پہ نظر آ جائے ہمیں لکھا ہوا, تو وہ کلیئر ہو گئی بات. اور وہ جب میں سب کے سامنے پیش کری اس پہ کوئی بات نہیں ہے, اس کا حدیث سے کیا تعلق ہے, اس کا لینگویج سے کیا تعلق ہے.
حدیث تو سر میں لکھ
نہیں میں کہہ رہا ہوں لینگویج سے بھی کیا تعلق, آپ کو لینگویج میں سناتے ہیں.
میں کہہ رہا ہوں وہ دیکھیے لینگویج جیسے اردو ایک کانٹیکٹ آتا ہے, اب وہ جو ٹف اردو ہے اس کو انڈرسٹینڈ کرنے کے لیے کیا کرنا پڑے, یا انگلش ہے.
سر میں آپ کو یہ اردو میں پڑھوں سارے ہے.
نہیں سر میں وہ نہیں پوچھ رہا, میرا کوشچن
چلو سر اب یہ نو کوسچن یو ڈونٹ.
اس کے بعد پرسنلی کے بھی شیخ صاحب موجود ہیں, بات لے کے, لیکن آفیشلی
ٹائم ہمارا ختم ہو گیا سر.
تھینک یو سر.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your attendance. We look forward to seeing you again, inshallah, sometime, whenever Allah wills. Thank you so much for coming. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.